Friends, Americans love two things: complaining about banks and going to Starbucks. It's almost a national pastime to grumble about the latest bank fees while clutching a venti caramel macchiato. We're a nation of caffeine addicts with a bone to pick about ATM fees. The irony is palpable, isn't it? We spend so much time and money on our coffee habits, yet we can't stand the thought of paying a few extra bucks to access our own money. So maybe it was only a matter of time before Starbucks, the ubiquitous coffee giant, decided to blur the lines a little. After all, if there's one thing Starbucks knows, it's how to keep us coming back for more. And by blur the lines, I mean wade into the murky waters of personal finance. Yes, you heard that right. Starbucks is not just about coffee anymore, they're dipping their toes into the financial world. Now, before you panic and picture baristas in green aprons hawking mortgages with your morning macchiato, let me explain. Starbucks isn't about to replace your local bank, but they're certainly making some interesting moves. Starbucks isn't opening bank branches yet, but they've found a way to become a financial force without needing to. It's a clever strategy that leverages their existing strengths. But they've become a financial force in a way that's both fascinating and a little bit terrifying. Imagine a world where your coffee shop knows more about your spending habits than your bank does. Think about it. Starbucks processes billions of dollars in transactions every year. That's a staggering amount of money flowing through their system. And it's not just from selling coffee. They've got a wildly popular rewards program, and their mobile app, it's a powerhouse in its own right, with millions of users making transactions every day. Let's just say it's more ubiquitous than common sense at a political rally. The app is so ingrained in our daily routines that it's almost second nature to use it. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving into the world of Starbucks finance. It's a wild ride, and the only requirement is a tolerance for caffeine puns. But there's more to this story than just a few clever jokes. It's a wild ride, and the only requirement is a tolerance for caffeine puns. But there's more to this story than just a few clever jokes. Starbucks is leveraging its massive customer base and technological prowess to create a financial ecosystem that's both innovative and disruptive. For starters, their mobile app isn't just for ordering coffee, it's a full-fledged payment platform that allows users to load money, earn rewards, and even send gift cards to friends and family. It's like having a mini bank in your pocket, but with the added bonus of earning stars for every purchase. And those stars? They're more than just a way to get free drinks. They're a form of currency that keeps customers coming back, creating a cycle of spending and earning that's hard to break. It's a brilliant strategy that turns casual coffee drinkers into loyal customers. But Starbucks isn't stopping there. They're also exploring partnerships with financial institutions to offer new services and products. Imagine being able to apply for a loan or manage your investments while sipping on your favorite latte. It sounds far-fetched, but it's closer to reality than you might think. The financial district might soon have a new player, and it's not a traditional bank. Starbucks is positioning itself as a tech-savvy, customer-centric alternative to the old guard of finance. It's a bold move, but one that could pay off in a big way. So what does this mean for the average Starbucks customer? For one, it means more convenience. The ability to manage your finances while grabbing your morning coffee is a game changer. But it also raises some interesting questions about privacy and data security. With great power comes great responsibility, and Starbucks will need to navigate the complexities of the financial world carefully. The last thing they want is to lose the trust of their customers over a data breach or financial scandal. But if they can pull it off, Starbucks could revolutionize the way we think about both coffee and finance. It's an ambitious goal, but one that's well within their reach. After all, they've already changed the way we drink coffee. Why not change the way we manage our money too? So next time you order your favorite drink, take a moment to think about the financial revolution brewing behind the counter. It's a brave new world, and Starbucks is leading the charge. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be able to get a mortgage with your morning macchiato. Until then, enjoy the ride and keep those caffeine puns coming. Let's start with the basics. How you actually pay for your daily caffeine fix at Starbucks. Sure, you can still use boring old cash or a regular credit card, but where's the fun in that? Starbucks wants you to join their ecosystem. And by ecosystem, I mean a closed loop of caffeine-fueled transactions. Enter the Starbucks card. This little piece of plastic, or more likely the digital version on your phone, is your ticket to the Starbucks rewards program. Load it up with money and you can pay for your drinks and snacks with a simple scan. It's convenient, it's easy, and it's probably already linked to your bank account, so you barely even notice the money leaving. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Starbucks has managed to create a system that not only keeps customers coming back, but also makes them feel like they're getting something extra every time they visit. Starbucks, in their infinite wisdom, realized that people love free stuff, but they didn't stop there. They understood that the journey to getting free stuff could be just as exciting as the reward itself. And what do people love even more than free stuff? The illusion of earning free stuff. It's the thrill of the chase, the excitement of watching those stars add up, and the anticipation of finally getting that free drink or pastry. That's where the Starbucks Rewards program comes in. It's a clever system designed to make every purchase feel like a step towards something bigger. Every time you use your Starbucks card or the app to pay, you earn stars. These stars are like a digital currency that you can accumulate over time. These stars are basically like digital gold stars for adults, except instead of getting a pat on the head from your teacher, you get a free pastry after you've accumulated enough. It's a small reward, but it feels significant because you've earned it. The more you spend, the more stars you earn, and the more free stuff you get. It's a simple equation, but it's incredibly effective. The system encourages you to keep coming back, to keep spending, and to keep earning those stars. It's a brilliant system, really. By turning coffee consumption into a game, Starbucks has created a loyal customer base that feels rewarded for their loyalty. They've gamified coffee consumption, and we, the caffeine-addled masses, are eating it up, sometimes literally, if we have enough stars for a cake pop. The Starbucks Rewards program is a testament to the power of gamification and how it can transform a simple transaction into an engaging experience. The app itself is designed to be user-friendly and visually appealing. It shows you exactly how many stars you have, how many you need for your next reward, and even offers bonus challenges to earn extra stars. These bonus challenges can range from trying a new drink to visiting a Starbucks location multiple times in a week. They add an extra layer of excitement and engagement, making the process of earning stars even more fun. Starbucks also frequently updates their app with new promotions and limited-time offers, keeping things fresh and exciting. This constant stream of new opportunities to earn stars ensures that customers remain engaged and motivated. When you finally redeem your stars for a reward, it feels like a small victory. It's a moment of triumph that makes all those visits and purchases feel worthwhile. And because the rewards are often small, like a free drink or pastry, it doesn't take long to earn them, keeping the cycle of earning and redeeming constantly in motion. The Starbucks Rewards program is a masterclass in customer loyalty. It's a system that rewards you for something you were already going to do, buy coffee. But by adding the element of earning stars and receiving rewards, Starbucks has turned a simple purchase into an engaging and rewarding experience. So next time you find yourself at a Starbucks, remember that every purchase is not just a transaction but a step towards your next reward. It's a small incentive that keeps you coming back, making you feel valued and appreciated as a customer. And in the end, that's what makes the Starbucks Rewards program so successful. Here's the kicker, folks. You might think Starbucks is just a coffee company, but there's a hidden financial genius behind those green aprons. All those Starbucks cards loaded with money? They're not just convenient for your daily caffeine fix. That's essentially a massive pool of customer deposits. Think about it, every time you load money onto your Starbucks card or app, you're essentially giving Starbucks an interest-free loan. We're talking billions of dollars. Yes, billions with a B. This isn't just pocket change, it's a significant financial resource. Money that Starbucks is holding on to, interest-free because we're too busy chasing our next free latte to notice. Every time you reload your card, you're adding to this enormous pool of funds. Now, to be fair, Starbucks isn't running off to invest this money in risky hedge funds, as far as we know. They're not playing the stock market with your coffee money. They're using it for things like operating expenses and presumably building more Starbucks locations. This money helps them expand their empire, opening new stores in every corner of the globe, which, let's be honest, they're very good at. The more stores they open, the more convenient it is for you to spend your preloaded funds. But the point is, Starbucks is sitting on a mountain of cash thanks to our insatiable thirst for overpriced coffee. This cash reserve gives them a significant financial cushion. It's like they've accidentally stumbled into the banking business, one caramel macchiato at a time. Every time you buy a drink, you're contributing to this financial phenomenon. Imagine the flow of money, from your pocket to your Starbucks card, and then into Starbucks coffers. It's a seamless process that benefits them immensely. This financial strategy allows Starbucks to have a steady stream of cash flow, which is crucial for any business. It's a brilliant move that keeps their operations running smoothly. And while we enjoy our coffee in their cozy stores, Starbucks is quietly benefiting from our preloaded funds. It's a win-win situation for them. Over the years, this strategy has contributed to Starbucks' financial growth, making them one of the most successful coffee chains in the world. So next time you reload your Starbucks card, remember, you're not just buying coffee. You're participating in a financial strategy that's helping Starbucks hold billions. It's a fascinating look at how a simple coffee company has turned into a financial powerhouse, all thanks to our love for their coffee. So, enjoy your caramel macchiato, but also appreciate the financial genius behind it. Starbucks has mastered the art of turning coffee into cash. And that, folks, is how Starbucks holds billions. Cheers to that.